Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of search engine optimization, also known as SEO. If you've ever wondered how to get your website noticed by search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo, you're in the right place. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at SEO. First things first, let's understand what SEO is all about. In a nutshell, it's the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. The goal is to increase organic traffic and attract the right audience to your site. Now, one of the essential aspects of SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases people use when searching for information online. Finding the right keywords for your content is crucial. Time to optimize your web pages. On-page optimization involves fine-tuning your content, titles, meta descriptions, and URLs with the selected keywords. Remember, content is king. High-quality, engaging, and relevant content is more likely to rank higher. Shareable content encourages backlinks and drives traffic. Don't fret. Technical SEO isn't as complicated as it sounds. It involves making your website user-friendly and easily crawlable by search engines. Want to boost your website's authority? Backlinks are the answer. They act like votes of confidence from other websites, telling search engines your content is valuable. Today, more searches happen on mobile devices than desktops. So, optimizing your site for mobile is crucial for SEO success. To know if your SEO efforts are paying off, you need to track your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Now that you're well versed in SEO, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. These can hurt your rankings and hinder your progress. SEO is always evolving. Stay ahead by keeping an eye on the latest trends, algorithm updates, and best practices. Congratulations, you've just unlocked the power of SEO. Remember, patience and consistency are key as SEO takes time to show results. Keep creating valuable content, building links, and optimizing your website. Soon, you'll see your site climb the search engine ranks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy optimizing!